I don't wanna live my life like an Instagram post. A lot of people spending hours taking time editing.
Hello one, hello all. Welcome to or welcome back to my channel. My name is Justine and this is Curls and Cocktails. And today we'll be making a fall inspired cocktail because yesterday was the first day of fall, so we're making a fall sangria. I've never made a sangria, so this is our first time. So it's fairly simple, honestly, and it has a little cinnamon in it so that we can get the whole fall flavors going in. And it sounds like it's going to be really good, so I'm very excited. So I'm going to do half the recipe, but I'll have the full recipe down in the description box. But I'm going to half it because I don't need to be drinking a full serving of the sangria because apparently it serves 8, and I am 1. So we are going to put 2 cups of cider, but I put 1. I'm going to be saying the half of the recipe. So 1 cup of cider, and I already put it into my pitcher. And then half a bottle of white wine. I chose a Pinot from Barefoot. You can choose whatever you'd like. So let's do that. Did I OD? No. Okay. All right. So half a bottle of that. Half a cup of Fireball. That is what's going to give us the cinnamon flavor. I'm actually going to stir this now. And I'm going to add in our apples and oranges. You know, it's fall's apple season, so add some apples in there. I'm going to save 1 to garnish my cup that I'm going to drink, but the rest can go in. Okay, and then oranges. Give that a stir. It already looks so pretty. Let me lift it up for you. Look at that. Can you see it? Okay. And then lastly, some club soda to make it a little sparkly. Delicious. Now imagine if I would have made this whole thing and I had to drink this whole thing. That's ridiculous. So honestly, that's it. And then to get a little more fancy, I went out of my way and I actually prepped this time and I put an orange into my ice. I'm going to come around and show you. There's an orange. Can you see her? There's an orange in my ice cube. Because I'm fancy. Look at that cute little orange. Okay. I'm going to put her into my cup. So we have that. We have this. We pour. Delicious. I'm going to put my apple and my orange slice in there, even though there's orange in my cup. And that is our fall sangria. I'm sure it's pretty strong because it already has wine and then also Fireball. So let's see. That's good. I like this. So it is very cinnamony. I don't know how much I love cinnamon. This is spiced cider. I got it from Trader Joe, my favorite place. Spiced cider. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of this apple cider because I'm not an apple cider lover. I like it, but I like it iced. So I think I'm going to put this over ice and drink iced apple cider. That's a side fact. This is actually very delicious. I think the Pinot cuts like the cinnamon flavor a little, so that's good. And yeah. Very easy to make. Looks so like planned and delicious and hard, but it's super simple. You could probably let it sit for a little and let like the fruits absorb the alcohol, and then it'll be like, you know, stronger when you like eat the fruits afterwards. But all in all, I think it's delicious. I think you guys should try it. The season just started, so you have 3 months to do this. The whole fall solstice, the autumn solstice you have. Is it a solstice or an equinox? I don't know. Solstice or equinox. One or the other. But you have the whole thing to make this beverage. Even though I still have a pineapple on it, so it looks pretty summery. We'll turn that around. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I hope you guys make this fall-inspired sangria. If you do, please let me know how you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back next Thursday.
I've got bad habits I'm trying to fix. You haven't even seen the half of it.